Today, we are going to learn about nouns. A noun is a naming word. A noun names a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. Let's listen to a story and find the nouns together. In a small village, there was a cozy house near a blue river. A little boy named Ali lived in the house with his mother, father, and sister. Every morning, Ali picked up his bag and books and walked to his school. On the way, he saw a big tree, a brown cow, a black dog, and many birds in the sky. At school, Ali sat on a chair, opened his book, and listened to his teacher. During break time, he played with a ball in the playground with his friends. In the evening, Ali went to the park. The sun slowly went down, and the moon appeared with shiny stars. At night, Ali ate his dinner, drank a glass of milk, and slept on his bed with happy dreams. Did you hear the nouns? Village, house, boy, school, tree, dog, book, teacher, park. Great job, kids! Nouns are naming words. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye!